Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if the tools icon are missing in Photoshop, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to this location. So open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, open app data folder, open the roaming folder, open the Adobe folder, scroll down and then find UXP folder, open this folder, open plugin storage folder, phsp folder, and over here if you find 27 you can rename 27 or 24, so you can rename this folder. So create a backup first, so copy this and then you can paste it to the desktop. Once you have a backup created, now doing this rename will reset everything, so only if you agree you can rename this. Once you have a backup, you can make a right click and then you can click on rename. We will just rename it. Now once you rename it, click on OK. You have to close the Photoshop first. Now once you rename it, now you can check. If you have 24, you can create a backup for 24 folder and then you can rename 24 or 22, rename this folder and then you can relaunch Photoshop. Open Photoshop once again and then check. Next step is to uncheck and check tools. So open Photoshop. So go to Photoshop, at the top click on window and then over here you can see tools option. If this is checked, you can uncheck it. Once it is gone, again go to window and then put a check on tools and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to reset workspace. Now to reset workspace, you can go to again window at the top and then go to workspace and then over here you can see reset essentials and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to reset preference on quit. Now for this, go to edit, preference, general, and then over here you can see reset preference on quit. Are you sure you want to reset preference when quitting Photoshop? If you agree, click on OK and then you can check relaunch Photoshop. You have to relaunch Photoshop and then check. Next step is to set scaling to 100% or recommended in Windows display settings. Go to desktop, make a right desktop, go to display settings over here. Now over here you can see scale, you can set it to recommended over here 124. If that does not work, you can even try 100% and then you can check. I will just keep it at 125 recommended for now. Now still not working. Next step is to press, you have to press and hold Control or Shift while launching Photoshop. Confirm, delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. This will reset everything, cache, settings, workspace, everything. So you can close the Photoshop and then open Photoshop and you have to press and hold Control Alt Shift delete. So if you agree to this, you can just open launch Photoshop. I'm pressing and holding the Control Alt Shift and then you can launch Photoshop. While launching Photoshop, you can press Control Alt Shift. When you do so, here you can see delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. If you agree to this resetting everything, then click on yes and then check. Still not working. Yeah, so that'll be all. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the tool icons back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.